Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today we are talking about the Crunchyroll app, a must-have for anime lovers. I'll explain what it is and show you how to use it. Let's get started. Crunchyroll is a streaming app dedicated to anime, manga and Asian dramas. It offers thousands of episodes of popular anime series and a mix of free and premium content. With Crunchyroll, you can watch your favorite anime anytime, anywhere on your phone, tablet or smart TV. To use it, first go to the App Store and download your app. If you haven't, to search Crunchyroll on your search bar at the top of your page. After this icon pops up, tap on that, then tap on install and open it up. Then create an account using your email, Google or Apple ID. Then choose a plan, limited access with ads or ad-free access to the latest episodes and offline downloads by choosing premium. Once you're in, home screen shows trending anime, new releases and popular series. Right here you can scroll down to find more. Then to search, tap on search at the top of your page. Right here, here's the search icon, and then search for a specific anime, manga or drama you like. Then select an episode, tap the anime, choose the season and episode, then hit play. Choose anyone you like, then tap on that. Then here's the start watching icon, tap on that and you can start watching. Then add anime to watch list for easy access later. Enable subtitles in your preferred language. Download episodes, which is only available to premium users to watch offline. Get alerts when new episodes are released. Watch episodes shortly after they air in Japan. Log in on your phone, tablet or smart TV and continue watching anywhere. Read digital manga directly in the app, available on premium subscription. And that is how you can use the Crunchyroll app. Whether you're a casual viewer or a die-hard anime fan, this app makes it easy to enjoy your favorite shows anywhere, anytime. And I hope this tutorial helped you out, guys. Like if it did and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.